In the heart of the 18th century, the sun rose over a different kind of world. The great Oyo Empire was the heartbeat of the Yoruba people, but its borders were restless. From the gates of Oyo-Ile, a man of royal blood named Obaseeku set out toward the horizon. He was more than a prince. He was a hunter and a mystic, seeking a land where his lineage could take root. As he navigated the dense wilderness of the Ibarapa plains, fate intervened. He encountered Princess Oyinlola, a daughter of the Alaafin of Oyo. Whether she was lost or seeking her own destiny, their meeting was the spark that ignited a kingdom. They chose a fortress made of stone, the Ilewu Hill, where the air was clear and the vantage point was absolute. But a kingdom needs a name. As the settlement grew, it became a vital crossroads for caravans traveling from the north. Exhausted traders would stop to rest their weary feet at the base of the hills. "ERWUA! ERWUA! Pieces of roasted yam are available here!" That was the cry of the local women. The aroma of fire-charred yams filled the air, becoming the town's signature. Over the decades, the phrase softened on the tongue, shortening from a sales pitch into a legacy, ERWUA. Obaseeku's sons, Akalikoyi and Olaribikusi, would go on to define the town's future. It was Olaribikusi who received the sacred crown from the Alaafin, cementing ERWUA's status as a royal seat. During the chaotic years of the Yoruba civil wars, when other towns fell to the Dahomey invaders, ERWUA stood firm. The hills that provided the roasted yams also provided a natural shield. Today, when you look at the rocky peaks of Ibarapa, you aren't just looking at landscape. You are looking at the sanctuary of Obaseeku and the birthplace of a people. The smoke from the roasting fires of old has long since cleared, but the spirit of the hills remains. Today, ERWUA is no longer just a sanctuary for weary travelers or a fortress against ancient wars. It stands as a beacon of the Ibarapa heartland, a center of education, commerce, and culture that still whispers the names of Obaseeku and Oyinlola in its morning breeze.